In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can use Remitbee to send money to Bangladesh. So to get started, hit the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section and it will take you to the website. You can also download the mobile app as well. So the same login will work for the website, will work for the app. So here you're going to select sign up, complete your email address, your password, and then select sign up. I have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you're in, select send money. Add the recipient information. So from the drop down, select Bangladesh, select continue. Select how you want the recipient to receive the money. I'm going to go with cash pickup. Select continue. Enter the recipient's phone number. Choose a provider. So this is where you want the recipient to pick up money, right? So I'm going to say Bangladesh Krishi Bank, any branch. Select the identification type. I'm going to say passport. Scroll down and enter the recipient address and select continue. Enter the amount that you want to send. It shows how much money the recipient will receive and select continue. Select your purpose of transfer and select continue. Select how you want to pay. I'm going to select e-transfer and select next. So you're going to log into your bank and initiate the e-transfer. Now importantly, for the message to the recipient, that is the Remitbee recipient that you had in, you want to ensure that you had your email address that you use to create your Remitbee account in the message section. So here I'm just going to select continue. Here you're just going to review your transaction and hit confirm and send. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.